Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 9th chapter, that is the data handling. In the previous video already we have seen that what is the data and what is that organization of the data and the types of data. Generally the data are classified into the two types, that is the primary data and the secondary data. What do you mean by primary data? The data is collected by the himself the first instant whenever that data is collected, that is called as a primary data. That means he collected himself. But the data is, that is called as primary. But if the data is collected by the others, someone else, by other, that is called as a secondary data, like newspaper, TV channels, that's whatever that information or TV news. Okay, these are the called as a secondary data. But students, today we are going to discuss about that one of the different part of that our data handling, that is called as a tally marks. Do you have idea about the tally marks? Tally marks, actually it was olden days, it was using for counting that whenever they are playing that games. It started from that events. So students, tally marks means just one line. You have seen that while we are playing that games, any two members, that time what you are doing, if one person if win, then if one suppose somebody, then putting that one line. Again another one, next person if will win, he will keep that side one line. So for winning, for remembering that how many times for winning, that purpose of what we are doing, we are keeping one line. Yes, so that is called as a tally marks, and how we are using the tally marks in the data we will discuss in this video. Okay students, so let us see. I have written that some marks about the some students, they secured that the marks for a test. How will data will handle by using tally marks? Okay, read the question carefully students. Example 1, in a test, an exam is there, in a test on data handling, the following marks were obtained by 40 students. Okay, how many students in the data? 40 students test marks are given. Arranging these marks in the table using the tally marks. We have to use this table we will use and we will arrange in that one tally marks. Okay, and this all that data we will organize by that one tally marks, and then after we will find out this आंसर, क्वेश्चन आंसर. ठीक है, तो क्या करना है बच्चे, इधर देखो बच्चे, ये जो मार्क्स दिया इधर से सबसे छोटा कौन है, देखो सबसे छोटा 1 है, ठीक है, और सबसे बड़ा कौन है 9 है. देखो, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? सबसे हाईएस्ट मार्क कौन है, सबसे हाईएस्ट मार्क 9 से ऊपर कोई नहीं है. सबसे छोटा मार्क कौन है, तो 1 है. ठीक है, दीज आर द मार्क्स बाय द 40 स्टूडेंट्स. 4 for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, one line 4 40 students are there, they got the mark. So highest mark 9 secured and lowest mark is 1. So what you have to do students, first of all mark obtained, 1 mark students, this is 2 mark, this is 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 mark, 7 8 and 9 marks. So these are the marks. Okay, so now what you have to do, first of all we have to check where is the first point 9. Okay, this we can tick 9, where it is 9 and 1. Okay, next 4, you keep here 4. How like I am doing, like that you do. 7 double 7 is there, first 9 7 double 1 2. Okay, now second do come to here, this is over. Second 1, first 1 पे 1 line, second 9 पे फिर 1 line, next 3 1 line, 4 पे double here, next over this, next third line, 3 1 5 here 1 8 here 1 5 here 1, next 7 here 1 3 here 1. Did you see? 4 here on line, 6 here on line, next 6 7 1 9, next 5, 1, 8, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 4. Observe here, students. Now we are going to write 4. Okay. I will stop here now. Just I'll mark it. Now observe, students. Now this all 4 4 over. Whenever we are putting that another on line 5, you don't put here 5 like this. Okay. Instead of that, what you have to do? Instead of that, you have to put a cross. That means whenever 4 completely after 5 line we are drawing, that time what you have to do? 4 lines. 1 2 3 4, but whenever we want to write 5 numbers, then you put like this. Okay, cross. That means without counting we have to understand this is the 5. So now 4th we have stopped, so 4th we can keep cross. Okay, next 5, next this is also one more 5 cross. Next 5 you have to put extra 1 here. Next 2, next 2, next 8, 6 cross, 4, 7 cross, 6, 1, 6, 1. Okay. Now what did you understand, friends? Whenever we have that marker writing and checking and you are keeping, whenever you are repeating, you are one line you are keeping against the marks, and whenever it will completed 4, 5th line whenever you want to draw, at that time you should make it cross. Okay. Now count that and write. This is we have to count 4. We can write 4. Here 1 2 2. Here 3 3. Friends, here how much you no need to count 1 2 3 4. Direct count. This is 5 plus 1. That means 6. Here 5 1 6. This is 5 plus 2 7. This is 5. Okay. This is 3 and this is 4. So what is that? This is all about that mark organizing data we have written like this way. So now friends, what you have to do that we will see what is that questions about that. Okay. Okay. So now friends, these are the tally marks. Okay. So how we should make that? Did you understand about that? Whenever the data we are checking, very carefully you should check by that columns or row, not a matter. But don't use that repeated. Don't repeat the data. Okay. So now students, you write down question answer. First question asked by that organization that we have data we organized here, and then now we will get the answer by using this tally mark table. How many students obtain marks equal to or more than 8? Equal to or more than 8. That means equal to 8. 8 how many numbers? How many students they got? 8 marks. 3 members. And more than 8? 4. So we can write a answer here, students. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 students. Those who have got that 8 or more than 8. Okay. Next question. How many students obtain mark below 4? Below 4 matlab 3 2 1. So 3 means 3 2 4. So answer we can write below how many? 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9 students. So that means 9 students obtain mark below 4 marks. Okay. How many students obtain the highest mark? Highest mark कितना है? 9. 9 तो 4. So 4 students obtain the highest mark. Finished, friends? So like that you have to do your exercise part that is there. Exercise 10.9.1 you should do first bit or second bit what is there data. Thank you.